1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Today we're going to begin to learn how to add two groups of numbers together to find the total. Can someone give me an example of a time when they wanted to find out how many they had of something in total?
When I wanted to count all my candy and my sister's candy.
That's such a good example. Today we will be putting two groups of objects together to find out how many we have all together. And remember, if you ever forget which number comes next, use the number line at the top of the board to help you. Let's go through a problem together. Under the number line, we have two groups of paper clips laid out. I am going to count how many paper clips I have in the first group. 1, 2, 3. Class, how many paper clips do I have in the first group?
3.
Great job. Let's write that number on the first blank. Now, let's count how many paper clips are in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, how many paper clips do I have in the second group?
5.
Great job. I'm going to write the number 5 in the second blank. Now, we're not done, are we? We need to find out how many paper clips there are all together. Let's count together as a class. When we finish counting the first group, don't restart. Count on like we practiced a little while ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you put both groups together, use the number line to help you count on. Drag one paper clip at a time to the number line. This will help you make sure that you are counting correctly. Awesome job counting with me and counting on from the first group to the second group. When we put both groups together, how many paper clips do we have?
8.
That's right. Let's write the number 8 on the line below. That means that 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now let's move on to a second problem. Let me erase this first and set it up. So let's go to this example, but you guys are going to tell me what the steps are. So what is the first thing that we do?
Count the paper clips in the first group.
Great job. I like that you said which group to count first. So in our first group, we have 6 paper clips. What do we do next?
You write the number 6 on the number line under the first group.
That's right, and you need to make sure to write it under the right group. Let's repeat these steps for the second group of paper clips. So now that we have counted our second group of paper clips, which has 4 in it, and wrote the number on the line in the second group, what's next?
You combine both groups by putting one paper clip at a time on the number line and count out when you get to the second group.
Thank you for your response. You said it perfectly. When we put the two groups together, we got the number 10. Let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Let's write that number on the last line.